Big one. I have to harvest it before the squirrel will eat them up. They already ate one the other day. See? I wanted to get it ripe in the tree, but the squirrel is ahead of me. Look at that, guys. Nice.